Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to today's video. Marybeth Angelelli here, just wanting to come in and do a update video for you today on Infinity Processing System and exactly how Infinity Processing System works, which is really easy. You're going to be given the opportunity to learn our $300 a day blueprint when you become part of Infinity Processing System. And it's a really simple system. All you need to do is get started, scroll down here. It explains exactly how it works. Choose one of the product packages and get plugged in and follow your training, okay? And what you're going to be doing is posting ads on social media. We show you exactly where and how to start posting these ads on social media so you can effectively and successfully start driving tons of traffic to your Infinity Processing System offer, okay? And last but not least, the best part of all is start getting paid, okay? And what I love most about this system, like everybody else, folks, we get paid instantly. Same day, however you want to get paid, you select the payment method or methods of your choice, whatever works best for you, okay? And this is a global, worldwide opportunity. You get paid 100% of the commission. You get to keep it all, and it goes directly to you. There's no middlemen involved, and there's no hidden costs. Because people always ask me, Mary Beth, are there any hidden costs? Well, the only additional cost above and beyond your product level purchase, whether that be the starter for 50, the elite for 150, or the pro for 300, is only a one-time $25 admin fee, which covers the cost of your website. There's no monthly fees ever with Infinity Processing System. So you have three wonderful choices. Now, just wanted to make this very clear to you. You can only earn up to and including the level that you join at. So for example, if you come in at the starter level, which is $50 plus a one-time 25, which will be $75 total out-of-pocket investment, and somebody wants to join you at Elite for 150 or Pro for 300, unfortunately that sale is going to pass by you to the next qualified person in line, okay? Now you can, however, though, upgrade at any time. But the only disadvantage of this is when you do upgrade, you will have to pay the full price. So for example, if you do come in at the 50 and you want to upgrade to the Elite, which is the 150, you'll have to go ahead and pay the 150 again, all right? Plus the admin fee, because you'll be getting, and they'll be making updates to your website, okay? So most people see the tremendous potential and value. This is our most popular, highly recommended level, the six-figure blueprint. And it's not difficult to quickly grasp why, because of the earning potential, not to mention you get the two other product packages, which is Internet Automation Secrets included, that you'll receive training on, as well as earning potential on. Likewise, influencer brand marketing. You'll get the training for the influencer brand marketing and the ability to earn unlimited $50 commissions. So this is our most popular. This is our highly recommended, because if you're anything like me, folks, you don't want to leave money on the table. You'll never have to worry about missing out on a commission ever. You'll have the greatest earning potential, and you'll have the greatest value content and value-based training to really get plugged in, hit the ground running, to position yourself once you go out there, apply and implement the information, the knowledge, and the training contained within the six-figure blueprint on the $300 pro level. You'll be in a position to earn $300 commissions. And you can go ahead and review all of this, folks, exactly what you get paid, what the products are. Yes, a lot of people also ask me, besides, are there any hidden fees, which the only other fee, like I just previously stated, folks, is a $25 admin fee, which gives you your website customized and branded to you with your picture, your bio, your payment methods, all that good stuff, folks, okay? Redirect them to your social media account, just like mine above, and I'll share that with you before I move on and show you our proof and testimonials Facebook group, which you'll also get added into, okay? So you'll get to see in this video, before I close it out, real people having real results and truly winning with Infinity Processing System, which has been going strong since last year, March of 2021, when I actually got started, folks. We're fast forwarding into October of 2022. This program has taken off by leaps and bounds. It's going viral. We have so many people joining us every single day of the week, and so many people winning and making money, getting paid daily, even multiple times a day, and that can be you. But remember, nothing happens until you take action, folks, okay? So this is everything you get. These methods and these strategies that you will have full access to, you'll be able to learn how to go out there and do it for free. So if you don't want to do paid marketing, you don't have to worry, folks. Everything that's contained within these products, within this information and training, is all free methods and free strategies. That's another big plus plus, okay? And again, 100% commissions, you get to keep it all. You get paid instantly the same day, okay? And that's really helping a lot of people to stay afloat financially. As you might well know, what's going on with our economy, with inflation, this program's helping people in so many ways, okay? So basically, you're going to be given your pre-written ads, your 60 bonus image ads with the pro level, okay? And all this wonderful training that you're going to get to plug into, plus extra special bonuses. You're going to get plugged into our VIP training live chat group. You're going to have access to our live webinar trainings, okay? You also get access to a VIP vacation voucher for a wonderful getaway, as well as discounts on hotels and restaurants. And then you can turn around and offer these exact same incentives and bonuses and perks to your team members as well when they join you. But this is only available at the pro level, okay? All these extra bonuses. And then when you're ready, folks, I accept debit and credit cards. This is a global worldwide opportunity. All you have to do is come here and click on the Buy Now button. And then I also accept Cash App, all right? But like I say, get in though, get in where you fit in. You can always move onward and upward. You can always upgrade. That's never, an issue, never a restriction. But it's definitely highly advantageous and in your favor to try to come in at the highest level. Position yourself so you never have to really worry about upgrading, folks. And you're going to be able to never have to also worry about leaving money on the table and commissions rolling past you, okay, if you're not qualified with the product package. So this is why this is our most sought after, our most popular, our highly recommended, and for obvious reason. Okay, so enough of that, folks. You can go ahead and start here. I'm going to put the link below in the description. All right. What you want to do first, you come to my website, you come through, you have to watch this video first. You want to definitely do that because it explains everything. All right, step by step, very easily, very simplistically. This should get you really pumped up and super excited like it did for me when I first viewed this video. Then you can come on down here and review this information. This is my little bio. You'll have yours. Your picture will go here, and you can connect this up to one of your social media accounts if you so desire, which I highly recommend you do that. And then you will have a website just like this, and you'll be able to plug in up to 3 payment methods. Decide how you want to get paid, and you'll submit your payment methods when you go to order your website. All right, it's only $25 one time, no monthly fees ever. And that's pretty much it, folks. You can have fun, you can visualize, and you can see the income earning potential here. Now, of course, we can't come in here and ever make any income claims, guarantees, or promises because, like myself, nobody knows what you will do once you gain access, nor do we know your work ethic. But this is a proven system, folks. It's truly helping a lot of people. It's changing a lot of people's lives. People are earning daily, multiple times a day, truly winning, okay, and changing their financial situation for the better. All right, short little 4-minute video. Be sure and watch it, and then have fun visualizing. You can see the income charts right here. Remember, folks, no monthly fees ever. This is our starter package, and this is what you can earn with just 1 single sale a day, folks. Okay, Imagine, once you really get this ramped up, you scale up, you really start working it, you start posting your ads in multiple places using multiple strategies, which you'll definitely want to do. And then you can grow and scale a wonderful business, folks. And that's just at the starter package. And then, of course, you'll also be able to earn at the elite as well if you own the elite product resale rates, okay? You can see the potential here. And of course, this is where the real potential is, folks. And this product package is called the six-figure blueprint for a reason, because if you do some simple math, folks, $300 a day pretty much equates to 6 figures annually in earning potential. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you, and you can have fun, play around with this, and just have fun, visualizing and thinking big, and then plugging in and taking massive action. And of course, review all of this detail fine print right here. So we're going to go into the Facebook group right now so I can show you real people having real results and real success, and this should really get you excited. All right. So this is our proof and testimonials for the easy peasy $300 system right here. You'll have access to this as well as our wonderful coaching group, okay, when you get started. And as you can see, here's one of our members right here. Jessica is just trying to fall asleep, and this little guy jumps in, earning her a $300 commission. Imagine how fun that is, folks. Look at Jenna right here. $300 days are fire. Okay, she's congratulating a new team member right here, multiple $300. Looks like this individual here just had a $900 day, folks, Jessica. Okay, so you can see the power and potential of a simple system. And it truly is a fire system, okay? Here's another new team member giving his testimonial. The system just works. Absolutely, it sure does, okay? But you have to get started first. Get plugged into the training, make it happen, take massive action, apply and implement the training, and go out there and start winning just like all these wonderful team members, folks. Diana had another new team member that she's welcoming to the team. Okay. Jenna, so proud of a beautiful superstar. Okay. Her new rockstar student just woke up to a commission. Okay. And is thrilled. We have Jolie. She just got paid another $300 commission. All right. Daria, this program is fire. That seems to be a common phrase, folks. It truly is. This is one hot system, I can tell you. But just don't take my word for it, folks. Look at what other members are saying. Another commission just popped in for Daria. We're uplifting, supporting, congratulating, and just inspiring all of these new members to really go out and keep making it happen again and again. Just like Darius, look. Earning $200 today following the blueprint. We give you the blueprint, folks. It's very easy. It's very user-friendly. It's very newbie-friendly. And as a direct result, these members are winning. Look, a $50 commission, a $150. So looks like someone joined Darius at the starter and at the elite. I gave him $200, folks. All right. So check all this out, folks. Samsara, another $300 commission. Payments over and over again with this easy peasy $300 commission system. Okay. Here's another new team member winning. Okay. Got a $150 commission. Here's Jenna welcoming another new student, celebrating their win. Okay. Another $300 commission for this new member. All right. So just imagine, folks, what an extra $300 a day could do for you and your family right about now. And it's instant. Money hits your account. Same day, you get paid. You get to keep it all. 100%. No waiting around. No middleman taking your money, folks. Look, hanging out with her hubby, the system works. Get back to the person who invited you here. Another $300 day. This just happened. Okay? So I think you probably get the gist of this, folks. Look. Jenna just had another new team member join. She earned another $300. Look at this. It's amazing. Look at this. Another $300, another pro level member, folks. So pro is definitely where it's at. I just recommend what I want you to do next is go ahead and let me take you right back to my link, which is going to be directly in the description. But like I say, you can get started at any level. You can always move onward and upward. You can always upgrade. This is where you're going to be redirected. My direct link will be below. And then what you will do, you just come on down here, choose the product level of your choice, get in where you fit in, whether it's starter, elite, or pro. You can win on all levels, folks, okay? Get in, start making money. If you need to get upgraded, you can do that when you're ready. This, of course, is our most popular, our most highly recommended, and for good reason, because you get to earn on all three levels. You get the greatest value, the greatest earning potential, the greatest training, all these extra perks and bonuses that you can turn around and offer to your team members. And if you are ready to get started, I also have some great bonuses awaiting you. Just to let you know, if you come in at pro level, which is our $300 product package, I will be purchasing your very first traffic campaign for you to give you a nice little boost and a nice little jump start for traffic coming into your system. So get with me today. Text or call me. All my contact information is below. This will truly help you to get started quicker and to jumpstart your lead flow and your results with Infinity Processing System. And then you can plug into the training and pick and choose whichever method or methods that you want to use, which are all free, folks, by the way, which is another great extra added bonus. You don't have to pay for marketing unless, of course, you absolutely want to. But I'm going to be covering your very first campaign for you. Connect with me today. Let's get you plugged in. And with that being said, I'd love to welcome you to my team and to the team in advance, Infinity Processing System. Thank you so much. See you soon on the inside. Looking forward to seeing your story and your testimonial inside of our Facebook group real soon. But let's get you started first, and then let's make it happen. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. See you on the inside. 330-787-1795. Text or call if you're serious and should you have any questions after you review this. Or if you're ready, folks, just come on down here. Choose your level. Buy now, or buy now. Okay? I'll meet you on the inside. I'll be sending you a welcome email with all of your access, all of your training, and access to my special added bonuses as well. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.